Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm the Membership Manager here at LGPro, and in this video I'm going to show you what's in your LGPro account. To access your account, simply sign in top of screen. We can now see that I have successfully logged in. To access your LGPro account, simply click on the link. In your account, you're able to update your contact details, see all the special interest groups that you're subscribed to, as well as access their online communities, and you're also able to see any invoices that you have with LGPro. In the About tab, you're able to adjust all of your contact details. If you've moved council or have got that promotion, you're able to change your contact details. To do this, simply hit the pencil icon. Fill out the fields and then hit Save. To see your involvement with LGPro, go to Participation. In Participation, you can see your current billing, all of the special interest groups that you are subscribed to, and their online communities. You're also able to pay your outstanding invoices directly from your account by simply adding them to the cart. Once you have paid the bills, you're also able to see the statements. In the Preferences tab, you're able to adjust what communications you'd like to see from us and change your password. In the Invoices tab, you're able to see all of your invoices. If I'd like to download my invoice, click View Invoice and download it with the Export to PDF icon.